So my name's Austin, this is Calla, and it seems like everyone's been stuck inside recently, so we've had to get creative as far as the things that we do from day to day. So today we decided to come up with 20 ideas of things that we have been doing or things that we've been wanting to do. And we came up with 20 things, so that's what this video is about. It's going to be 20 things to do when you're quarantined, or just when you're bored. So, stay tuned.
Don't blow me up! We're on the same team! Yay!
Okay, so I made my new shirt. While we're stuck inside being quarantined, you might as well change your style. Sponsor for today's video is the Rona. Drink responsibly.
What you doing there?
Huh?
We were trying to make macaroons, and this is what it looks like. It's like a flat little pink cookie.
I see your one, and I raise you two. So I'm all in.
You ready to lose?
No, I'm ready to win. Win all this toilet paper.
So what you doing?
We're filming a YouTube video. That's why we have this camera and this long tripod.
Okay.
And in the YouTube video, it's things to do when you're bored during quarantine. And one of them is call your grandma. And because I have the best grandmother in the whole world, I wanted to call you.
Hello?